So we've just arrived at our next hotel. We've just left the palace, Gustad Palace, and we've come to the next village over called Saanen. I think I've pronounced that right. And the hotel that we're in is called GRAND CHALET. Very, very beautiful hotel. The taxi driver was telling us that they have a very, very good restaurant, the best restaurant here. So that was very lucky because I did pick it because it had good reviews, but I hadn't realised it had such a good restaurant. So we've already booked in for tonight. Let me show you around the room. So we came in through this door and we have some wardrobe space there. In here, I'm just seeing it for the first time too, is bath, lots of towels, robe and slippers, some amenities. It's me. Oh, shower, toilet. And they've upgraded us to a suite, so we're very, very lucky. And they've let us check in early as well. So again, the staff are lovely here. Table and chairs. We've got welcome. We wish you wonderful days with us. Some chocolates with the Grand Chalet on. We've got the Matterhorn design. And the little... No, probably work with the main lights. And another seating area here. And the views. Look at that. Amazing views. I think that's over there is the palace where we've just come from. Absolutely stunning. I need to get some footage outside as well. And some seating area. That belongs to Pandy. They haven't given us a free phone. Beautiful, isn't it? Are you happy?
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
See the bathroom?
Yeah. Really nice, isn't it? The bed looks lovely and comfy. Yeah, I'm sure we'll enjoy our stay here. Shame it's only for one night, but yeah, looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it?
Really nice.
Very happy.